This video we are going to be talking about how to avoid asthma attack. So if you're an asthmatic patient, the chances of you this cold weather is probably a torture for you, and we all understand. So if you're an asthmatic patient, or maybe you have someone that is close to you that he or she is asthmatic, then you need this video. So what are the things you need to do to avoid this asthma attack? Number one, identify your triggers. Try to know what triggers this attack. If it is cold, make sure you're always putting on clothes that will keep you warm whenever there is cold outside. Make sure you always put on something that will always keep you warm, something like a sweater. If it is dust, make sure that your house is completely clean. When the house is dusty, please leave it for others to clean. If the floor is dusty, please, other people can do the sweeping. You can go inside. If it is mopping, you can mop. But once it is the floor, taking care of the floor when it is dusty, please leave it for others to do it. And please, when going out, make sure you put on your nose mask to avoid dust. Then the next one is what? Smoke. Like if it is smoke that triggers it, allow other people to do the frying. When it comes to frying things in the house, anything fryable, please allow others to do it. You can go inside and relax while others do the frying, and maybe you have friends that normally smoke. Please stay away from them, because smoking can actually trigger this attack, and don't allow them to convince you. Whether they are taking shisha or whatever, my dear, please avoid them for that meantime. When they are done, you can go and meet them, but anything that has to do with smoking, please avoid it. Then the other one is what? Avoid perfume, like harsh perfume odorants. When you know that a perfume is too harsh, please avoid it. Don't make use of it. Don't make use of it, because it can actually trigger this attack. Then the next one is what? Breathe warm air. Breathe warm air. Now, what do I mean? Cold air can actually, trigger your airways. It can trigger your airways, which will, make this attack to start. So during cold weather, consider wearing a nose mask or maybe a scarf that will help to warm up the air that you're taking in. It will help to warm it up, warm the air that is going through your nose. So always make sure you put on these nose masks, because it will help to humidify the air that enters inside your body instead of breathing through your mouth. Always breathe in through your nose. Then the next one is what? Avoid stressing yourself. Avoid going into too much work. Once you know that you're getting tired, please stop. Don't stress yourself too much, because too much stress can actually trigger this attack. The next one is what? Medication. Your medications, please always make sure that you're with your medication. Now is not the time to forget things. Now is not the time to be forgetful. Please always have your medications with you as your backup. Always keep your inhaler very close to you at all times, and if needed, please take your medication at all time. Make sure that you always take your medications. Then the next one is what? Try to avoid exposure. Excess exposure to cold. Like when there is cold, please avoid anything that has to do with cold. If you notice that it is too chill or cold outside, please stay indoor. Make sure you stay indoor. And if it is cold, if there is need for you to go outside when everywhere is cold, please make sure you put on a very thick cloth, a cloth that is thick enough that will keep you warm. And just in case you may be inside the room is cold, my dear, please make sure you off the fan, off the AC, switch off the air conditioner. Make sure that all those things are off. Then, then after you can take like warm water that will help to keep your body warm. And just in case there is need for you to bathe, ensure you bathe warm water. Stay away from anything that has to do with cold water. Then the next one is what? Avoid going to the swimming pool to swim. If your friends are going out, please don't go with them. Avoid anything swimming, because when there is swimming, fun will come in. You would like to have fun with them. You will have to go inside the water, come out. mistakenly anything can happen. Before you know, the attack will come. So please stay away from anything that has to do with swimming, going to the swimming pool, going to the riverside or wherever. Please stay away from swimming. Then the next one is what? Avoid people that has this kind of respiratory tract infection. People that are sick, people that have respiratory tract infection, it can literally, put your asthma attack at risk. Like it can trigger this asthma attack, because whatever that person is actually going through can worsen up. It can worsen up, most especially when it's during all this cold season where infections can prevail. So please stay far away from anyone that has this kind of, respiratory tract infection. Stay away from them. Then the next one is what? Avoid too much exercise. Whatever that will make you to start breathing too fast, causing you to palpitate, like your heart to be beating very, very fast. Please, my dear, avoid it. Instead, go for a very cool exercise that will not stress you that much. So please, my dear, you need to do everything possible to keep yourself away from this attack, because if you literally follow all these steps, trust me, for you to be coming to the hospital, it will take a long time. Like you won't be going to the hospital that much. It will take time for you to visit the hospital. I guess the only thing that can make you visit the hospital is probably when you are going to, refill your medications. That is only what will take you to the hospital. If you can be able to take all this, you can practice all these tips. Going to the hospital, I don't think it will be for you, because they said before you need a doctor to help you, you need to help yourself first. I hope you guys are getting me. So this is all I have to share with you guys in regards to this video. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and do well as to share with a friend if you got value. For all my returning subscribers and followers, this is Prince TV Global saying thank you. See you guys in the next one. Bye.